This is the ultimate test of an all-new Honda sport machine. The second generation of the world's most popular sport bike. This is Honda Heritage on the line. A machine that confirms Honda's commitment to sport motorcycles. The kind of commitment this man knows. A man who fought back from the brink. A legend, Bubba Schobert, on a machine he helped develop. A machine that redefines a standard for middleweight sport bikes. The all-new Honda cbr600f2. Totally redesigned for 1991, the cbr600f2 was built with a single purpose: performance, the highest in its class. Powered by an all-new double overhead cam, 16-valve, 599cc, 100-horsepower engine, a newly designed one-piece cylinder crankcase assembly, and a revised camshaft drive layout make it the lightest, most compact engine in its class. Direct shim under bucket valve actuation ensures high RPM reliability, while redesigned 34mm flat slide carburetors provide superb throttle response. And there's more. A 6-speed close ratio transmission, a stainless steel exhaust system, and lightweight pistons and connecting rods. There's never been a 600cc engine this advanced. With an all-new twin spar steel frame, one that ensures precise pinpoint handling, with an adjustable 41mm front fork, and a revised ProLink rear suspension with spring preload and rebound damping adjustability. Lightweight RC30 type wheels carry high-quality Michelin radial tires for superb grip. And redesigned dual disc brakes in front and a single disc in back for crisp braking. And when it comes time to make time between points A and B, the F2 obliges. With all new bodywork for superb wind and weather protection and less drag. A revised seat peg bar relationship, and a wide, ergonomically designed seat that's plush enough for day-long rides, even 2-up. The cbr600f2 is packed with features, like a liquid-cooled oil cooler for optimum engine performance and long engine life, a digital ignition system and automatic cam chain tensioner for easy maintenance. With performance and looks like this, you can't go wrong. Years of development, untold miles of testing, by some of the best names in the business. The 1991 cbr600f2 is in a class by itself. This year, it's the one to ride, the one to lead. cbr600f2.
I like to post up informational videos and promos for these classic sport bikes. My true passion is actually restoring them. If you'd like to see some of the restoration work that we've done, go ahead and get on the main page and go through and see some of the beautiful bikes that we've worked on.